For generations, suburban neighborhoods have appeared peaceful at dawn. But hidden beneath this calm exterior lies an ancient conflict, a conflict between feline and bird. As darkness retreats, the first scouts begin to appear, watching, waiting. Inside the homes below, the defenders are already awake. Silent predators monitor the skies from concealed defensive positions near the windows. The birds gather quickly. Tree lines become staging grounds. Street signs become observation towers. The skies fill with wings. For a brief moment, the balance of power appears uncertain. But the birds hesitate, because inside the windows, waiting silently, are the cats. And the birds know what humans often forget. Behind the blankets and windowsills, the hunter still remains. Out in the neighborhood, some lone field agents bravely gather intelligence on bird movements and report back to the feline defenders of each house. This is a dangerous job. As daylight spreads across the neighborhood, the attack dissolves. The birds retreat. The skies empty. And peace returns once again to the suburban frontier, at least until tomorrow morning. This has been a presentation of National Feline Broadcasting. This documentary is funded by 9 Lives Mutual Insurance and by Domestic Predator Supply Company and by cats like you.